Hello everyone, my name is Faisal Nadeem and welcome to our another video on job interview training course. In this video, I will teach you how to prepare for a full stack developer job interview. If you are applying for a full stack developer role in any organization, make sure to stay tuned to this video because I promise to help you pass your interview at the first attempt. And to achieve this objective, I'm sharing with you the top 5 most important commonly asked full stack developer job interview questions along with their sample answers. I will also let you know the purpose of asking each question from the hiring manager so you can create your answer by including all those important things that I will teach you in this video. I have already uploaded a video on full stack developer job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Very quickly before we get started, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focused content. Alright, let's jump in. So the first important question that you should need to prepare for is, can you explain the concept of cross-origin resource sharing and how it affects web applications? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your understanding of web security and more importantly your ability to handle cross-origin requests. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, cross-origin resource sharing is a security feature that controls how web pages in one domain can request and consume resources from another domain. Basically, it's implemented through HTTP headers. To enable cross-origin requests, a server must include specific headers and the client must handle them accordingly. Basically, handling cross-origin resource sharing effectively is very crucial for building secure and functional web applications. Question number 2. What is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous programming and when would you use each in a web application? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your understanding of different programming paradigms and more importantly your ability to choose the right approach for different scenarios. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, synchronous programming executes code sequentially while asynchronous programming allows tasks to run independently and their results are handled once they are ready. Synchronous is suitable for simpler sequential tasks, while asynchronous is beneficial for tasks that involve waiting for external resources or actions, enhancing the overall performance and responsiveness of a web application. Question number 3. Explain the model view controller architectural pattern and how it is applied in web development. Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your knowledge of software architecture and more importantly your familiarity with organizing code in a scalable and maintainable way. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, model view controller separates an application into three interconnected components: the model that manages data and business logic, the view that displays information to the user, and the controller that handles user input and updates the model and view accordingly. Basically, this pattern promotes code organization, maintainability, and scalability in web development projects. Question number 4. How would you optimize the performance of a web application both on the front end and back end? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your problem solving skills and more importantly your understanding of performance optimization techniques. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, to optimize the front end, I would minimize the use of blocking resources, compress images, and implement lazy loading. On the back end, I would focus on database indexing, caching, and optimizing algorithms. Implementing a content delivery network and utilizing browser caching are additional strategies to enhance overall performance. Question number 5. Can you describe your experience with using version control systems such as Git and how you manage collaborative development workflows? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your familiarity with version control and collaboration tools, which is very crucial for team-based development. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I have extensive experience with Git for version control. I use branching strategies to manage features and bug fixes, ensuring a clean and organized code base. Regularly merging changes, resolving conflicts promptly, and following best practices for commit messages contribute to a smooth collaborative development workflow. Basically, tools like Git enhance version control and facilitate seamless collaboration among team members. So there you have it, 5 most important commonly asked full stack developer job interview questions along with their sample answers. I have already uploaded a video on full stack developer job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.